Karon aton tan-aw ng pakikinabi sa akong partner Cecil Kibod Castro kang Kapuso star Rhian Ramos.
This morning sa Biz Talk, makauban nato ang very beautiful kaayo nato nga Kapuso artist ni si Rhian Ramos. Hi Rhian, good morning.
Hi, good morning, and good morning din sa lahat ng viewers ng programa na to. Thank you for having me.
Kumusta ka na Rhian? Parang 2 months na atang naka-ECQ eh. Kumusta ka na?
I know. Well, I really can't complain. Lahat naman ng kailangan ko at nandito naman, di ba? I eat well, I have a roof over my head, I'm comfortable. I can't go out. Namimiss ko nang lumabas, yun lang.
Oo naman, tayo naman talaga. Pero at least kahit naka-stay at home ka, we enjoy watching your vlogs and of course following your Instagram account. How has the use of social media helped you cope up with the quarantine now?
Social media has been much more positive lately. Parang before kasi, bago magsimula yung quarantine, parang yung feeling ko sa social media is space siya kung saan naglalagay yung tao ng best foot forward, yun lang yung mga pinopost. I feel like nung nagsimula yung quarantine, mas naging realistic yung mga pinopost ng lahat na talagang ginagamit na nila yung social media as a platform to connect with one another. And yun din, mas naging importante siya for me kasi doon lang din ako doon ko lang na-express yung feelings ko, tsaka yung thoughts ko, and the whole journey of being quarantined for 2 months.
Tama ka nga doon. We're all together in this journey, di ba? This time, Rhian, let's talk about self-care. How important yung self-care despite the difficulties that we're experiencing now? Ikaw din ba, habang naka-stay at home ka, ano yung mga ways mo to take care of yourself? Kasi I'm sure our viewers would also want to know how to do self-care, no?
I would say self-care is very important. It might even be the most important thing right now. Kasi wala na nga tayong ibang pagtutuunan ng pansin, di ba? Kung hindi yung wellness natin, health natin, not just physically, pero mentally also. Almost every day, nagpo-post ako ng bagong workout sa IG live ko. Kasi it's good for you physically, pero it's also good for you emotionally kasi nagkakaroon ka ng goal para sa araw mo.
Let's reminisce about one of your most iconic role dito sa GMA as Jody sa Stairway to Heaven. Ano yung mga memorable experiences mo, Rhian, while doing the Philippine adaptation of Stairway to Heaven?
I'm not sure if I was 19, 20, or 21 nung ginawa namin yung Stairway to Heaven. Ito yung show na made me fall in love with acting. I was able to work with a very good acting coach, a great director, and a great cast. Marami akong natutunan sa kanila. And I also became very good friends with the production team and the staff. It was a very good experience for me. Kahit mahirap yung role.
Tama ka nga doon. And we're so excited na finally makikita namin ulit ang Stairway to Heaven. Let's invite our viewers, Rhian, to watch it.
I'm excited too, but I'm also very nervous na makikita ko yung sarili ko at that I don't know what to expect, but I just want everyone to watch this show. It was so important and close to my heart. And ito yung show na So, Philippine adaptation siya ng Korean drama na kahit ngayon nababanggit siya, it's a very iconic show. I'm happy na ibabalik siya at sana ma-enjoy nyo the same way na na-enjoy natin lahat yung kwento na to. 10 years ago.
Tama ka nga dyan, Rhian. And before we end the interview, would you like to share your message para sa mga viewers natin, para sa mga kapuso natin?
Hi mga kapuso, I hope that all of you are healthy and safe and staying in good spirits. I hope that we find a way to use this time, even if it's a really weird time, to better ourselves. Kasi lahat ng mga nangyayari may purpose. Binibigay yan sa atin ng Diyos na may dahilan. So, let's all stay positive. Let's use the time to improve ourselves, learn something new, or work out, or eat healthier, or something. And just stay safe, and God bless you all. We hope that Stairway to Heaven can entertain you while you're at home.
Thank you so much, Rhian, for joining us this morning. Ingat ka dyan.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Ingat din kayo dyan, and God bless you.
And mga kapuso, that was Rhian Ramos nga mipaambit ka nato sa iyang mga self-care tips. And of course, nag-reminisce usab ta kay nindot kayo i-throwback ning panahon na sa quarantine. Busa, mo balik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.